Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Buick Enclave. Let's take a look, shall we? Starting right away up front, you have HID headlights as well as LED running lights. Those will keep you very safe as well as keep you nice and stylish. The waterfall chrome grille, a Buick exclusive, always makes the front end very sharp. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Looking at the tread on those tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. You also have a power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. You have dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Enclave on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.